Hi everyone, so today I'm working on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. So what we've done, we've removed the original factory stereo and we've gone all out on this one. We've gone for the KENWOOD DMX9724. So it's only just recently launched. It's got a 10.1 screen and it absolutely looks amazing. So we've got a custom fascia kit and a custom ISO, and the beauty of this stereo, it's right in front of you on this particular vehicle. If I want to go on a volume, generally it's very simple to use, very fast. Now you've got your general options on here, your radio, your DAB, USB. You've got a few extra features as well, so you can even put your Fire Stick on this vehicle. But the main feature of this, which we're going to use, is CarPlay. So like every modern day factory system, you've got all your apps on there. And how I like to use it, I've got my music on one side, got my maps on the other side. Alternatively, as well, we've added a reverse camera, so this vehicle is very basic, but as you can see, you've got a nice large display coming in. Overall, the unit is a perfect fit. Everything is at your fingertips, very easy to use, very fast. So I definitely recommend this particular stereo in regards of size and functionality.